Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your selfie on Chatroulette. First, open the Chatroulette website and let it take a selfie. After that, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Chatroulette and install the extension you find there. Once it's added to Chrome, go back to the Chatroulette tab and refresh the page. If you click on Change Selfie, you will see that it only allows you to take a photo using your camera. To upload your own image instead, open the extension you just installed. Click on it and choose the option to upload the selfie. Select the photo you want from your device and it will automatically set as your new Chatroulette selfie. That's it for this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.